Active Life has absolutely been working for me. Enjoy coming here. I don't think that I've missed a session. It's important to me to get up and come and get the work done. My name is Michael Davi. I'm 55 years old and I've been coming to Active Life for 7 months. I'm an attorney. I've been practicing law for 23 years now. I am currently the head of commercial litigation for Con Edison. If you have a case that's going to trial, that's probably the most amount of stress you can ever experience. And stress can also be determined by where you work and who you work with. Other things take over in your life, whether it's having young kids and you're dealing with family stuff or your career. So even though it's important, in the back of your mind, you always feel like you have more time. And I guess as I've gotten older, I realized I need to prioritize this if I want to continue to be healthy and active as I get older. My partner Lori had found Active Life. I think they were here at an event in Long Beach, and she had walked up to their booth and started talking to them and thought this would be something that would work for her. I saw her doing it for a couple of months and saw that it had made a big impact in her life and her commitment to it. And I said, this is something I need to try for myself, because I think it is what I've been looking for. She had belonged to a different, I'll use the word gym, before joining here, and I never had an interest in joining that one. I did not like that process, and ultimately I think she didn't like it either, and which is why she left that gym and came to this facility and started working with Active Life. It was very different. It was very customized. Came in, they did an assessment, my abilities, right? Where were my limitations and where did I need to work, which is completely different than what Lori needed. And then also an education, right? You come in and they talk to you. And one of the things I've taken from here that I use in my personal life is this idea of load versus capacity. And my professional life, I think it applies to all aspects of your life, not just to what you're doing in a gym or while you're working out. It's your whole life. If this is important, you have to look at what your capacity is and make the time for it, and that may mean making different choices than maybe I made in the past. I started here one-on-one working with Sam. For the first, I think it was about 4 months that I was here, I worked with Sam 3 times a week. Sam came up with the program for each session to address what had been identified. After doing that for about 4 months, I moved into the Ascend sessions. And the Ascend sessions are, Sam still creates a program for me, and still we check in once in a while and check, reassess where I am, and then the program gets modified. When I first, I think, came here to Active Life, my goals were kind of amorphous. I just want to be healthier. I want to, as I get older, I want to maintain my health and vitality. And I knew one of the things to do that was building muscle mass. I also wanted to lose weight. And one of the things I've always wanted to do was just run a 5K. And every time I've tried to train to do that, I've not been able to do it. When I first worked with a personal trainer, this was probably about 10 or 15 years ago when I had mentioned this goal, he had suggested I run on the treadmill for a little bit. I ran on the treadmill, and I ended up overtraining and getting a compound fracture in my left knee. I thought the problem was my weight. Sam said the problem wasn't your weight. The problem is muscles and your tendons and your ligaments are not really ready for you to be running like that. But we can design a program to do that. So we've been working for the last couple of months on a program that by the spring I'll be able to go out and run a 5K. And I already see the difference running on the treadmill, not having any knee pain. It feels great for me to be working towards this goal. I know for me, and this I think maybe goes overall to the idea of being here at Active Life, I've never been somebody who's experienced a runner's high, or even, I know some people even talk about they get that just coming to the gym. I don't get it. To me, going to the gym was always necessarily evil, which is maybe why it always had a lower priority. I don't feel that coming here. It's something I enjoy doing. I enjoy coming here, and maybe it's the personalization and knowing that all of this being put together in a way that makes sense. Sam has given me functional diagnosis, which I've given to my doctor. My doctor found them useful to figure out where my limitations are, and then also been working with a registered dietitian, and Sam has been in communication with the registered dietitian about what I'm doing here in the facility and how that fits in with what the registered dietitian is trying to get me to accomplish, which is the idea of not losing muscle, but I am losing the fat. It's still a little bit of a challenge to me to get away from looking at just the number on the scale and understanding that it's more than just my weight. It's my overall fitness and not just a single number. And I've talked to Sam about this, the idea that, I may not lose as much weight as I came in here hoping to lose. I think I had set a goal for myself very much based on BMI, which was just, I have to get down to a certain number so that my BMI is below a certain number. I started to come around to the idea that that is not the most important number, that, looking at, I could get down to that number and not be healthy. I like kind of working with Sam and the other professionals here because I learned so much from them, and it's motivating to me. And I think it's also appreciate concern for me and the programs that they come up with, and even Sam picking up on the idea of that I always had this goal to run the 5K and had really just given up on it. And when Sam said, "Oh no, you're going to do it," it reignited that passion in me to try it again. I think it's going to be an amazing feeling to actually finish one and say, oh, I've done this, and it's something that's been a goal of mine for a very long time, and to be able to say, I've done this.